Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango wa guteithiriria andu aria magumiirwo ni thina uyu, mutabariri wa mihango ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman ni ugite Akenya matanyihiire mirioni 7.5 aria ni gicunji gia 15 hari igana mari na mathina matiganite ma maitho. Gatagati-ini ka aya 250 ni atumumu na wangi 750 mationaga wega, ciana mirioni 4.5 iri na thina uyu, na gatagati-ini kao 100,000 ni marabatara macicio, ona gutuika no ciana 37,000 mahotete kwamukira.
Misioni kabisa na shida yangu ilitokana na retinal detachment, lakini hiyo ni kitambo sana, wakati bado technology ilikuwa haijafika ya kurekebisha.
Huge burden of the blind is due to cataract. Provision of simple and quality spectacles will be a solution to school-going children who have challenges in seeing the blackboard.
Kaunti iria igukorwo ikiamukira motungata ma maitho ni hamwe na Kiambu, Vihiga, Meru, Kware, Kajiado, Bomet, Odomwe na Embu.
School children in particular, if you have difficulties in seeing the blackboard for students, if you are diabetic, and even if you have no vision problems, please do go for an eye examination.
Aria matangihota gutumira spectacles na kuheo assistive devices na assessment centers iria ci county ino ni cikorwo equipped nigetha cihote gwika assessment, mahote kurifa ciana in the right institutions na interventions cieko.
Kuringana na Rashid, mamwe ma mathina ma maitho makoretwo makiumana no kuru undu umwe na mirimu ya cukari, ona gutuika thirikari nigeretie kunyihanyihia mirimu ino na njira ya kuhuthira mutambo wa kiriu ukurikanite ta peak technology, kuria arutwo maraheo mweke wa guthurimwo maitho niguo kumenya kana mari na thina mbere ya macokete gutumwo thibitari.
This technology has been studied, as we heard, and validated in Kenya, particularly in our Trans Nzoia County, and found to provide a threefold increase in the access of patients to eye care services.
Hamwe noguo ministry yugite ni irageria uria kandi cia NHIF igukorwo ikihuthika hari kurigita thina uyu, gukwakiuria Akenya gwikinyagia thibitari mahinda kwa mahinda, kuona thina uyu ungimenyeka tene no urigitike na weherie mundu ugwati-ini wa kurwo ni uhoti wa kuona.
Kenyans, when seeking eye health care, tend to go to the key institutions that we know that have been around for a long time, but now there is an opportunity for those seeking eye health care to go to some of these other counties that are being facilitated through this project.
Ambao wako na irreversible blindness watakuwa enabled ama supported to ensure that they can lead a positive life with more dignity and achieve their full potential.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.